Alright, let's bust a big myth about blood sugar. I hear all the time that your blood glucose levels are just kind of all over the place, rising and crashing depending on what you eat or how you feel. But actually, your body is incredibly good at keeping your blood glucose tightly controlled, way more than most people realize. Let's get into how that works. In a healthy person, blood glucose or blood sugar is usually between 80 and 90 milligrams per 100 milliliters of blood when you wake up, before you've had anything to eat. After a meal, those levels pop up a bit, maybe hitting 120 to 140. But here's the cool part. Your body's feedback systems kick in fast, and within about 2 hours you're right back to your normal range. Now let's talk about the star of this show, the liver. When you eat, and your blood glucose rises, your pancreas releases insulin. That signals the liver to grab as much as 2/3 of that extra glucose and stash it away as glycogen. Then, as your blood sugar and insulin levels settle back down, your liver shifts gears, releasing glucose back into the blood to keep things steady. Without this liver buffer system, blood glucose would swing like crazy. Next up, the hormone tag team of insulin and glucagon. Insulin is your main player, lowering blood glucose whenever it gets high. Glucagon, on the other hand, steps in if your blood sugar drops, pushing it back up. Most of the time insulin does the heavy lifting, but glucagon is crucial when you're fasting, exercising hard, or under stress. But what happens if your blood sugar drops dangerously low? That's when your brain gets involved, specifically, the hypothalamus. It triggers your sympathetic nervous system, causing your adrenal glands to release epinephrine, also known as adrenaline. This forces the liver to dump more glucose into the blood, protecting you from severe hypoglycemia. If low blood sugar lasts for hours or days, your body brings in backup growth hormone and cortisol. These hormones help by slowing down how much glucose your cells use and encouraging them to burn more fat instead, preserving precious glucose for your brain. So why is all this regulation so important? Well, some organs, like your brain, your eyes, retinas, and the reproductive cells in your body, can't function well without glucose. They just can't use fats or proteins for energy the same way. That's why your body pulls out all the stops to keep your blood sugar steady. On the flip side, letting blood glucose get too high is bad news too. High glucose pulls water out of your cells, causes dehydration, flushes glucose out through your kidneys, and can even damage blood vessels over time. This is why uncontrolled diabetes can lead to heart attacks, kidney failure, and even blindness. So the next time you hear someone talk about sugar highs or sugar crashes, remember, your body is working around the clock, using a whole team of organs and hormones just to keep your blood glucose in check. That's some next-level myth busting.